Aieee, oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. And I know you think I live in a bird sanctuary, but look, every time I put my camera on, the birds come out and they act like they're crazy. I don't know what's going on. Today I'm enjoying something real good. That's my little Bombay sapphire turned on to me by my good friend Mel. Thanks, Mel. Well, you hear that bird loves it too, Shy. And I got more Voss water. I'll be making some gumbo and I like to add a little Voss water in there every now and then, you know. It's all good. I'm going to talk to you though about something. Look here, as you know, I got my gumbo mix. Chef Bourque seasoned gumbo mix, baby, and it's all good on the bayou. Let me show this to you real fast. See that? Awesome, awesome, awesome. And this gumbo mix is unique. I make it myself. Hand processed by me, Chef Bourque. Get a gallon of water boiling. Hey, you empty that little pack of mix in there. Whisk it real good while you lower your fire. Never cover your pot, some good baby. Smoked sausage. And guess what? You take a cut up chicken, no, not seasoned. Put it in that pot. Walk away, baby, walk away. Because look, an hour and a half, 2 hours later, it's all cooked. The whole house, as soon as that mix hits the water, it's going to smell nothing but gumbo. Authentic Cajun gumbo from Chef Bourque. Whole lot of people buy this stuff all around the world because this is what they like. And you always come back for more, so it's got to be good. One other thing I have right now that I'm starting to put out there. Hey, that's my Cajun's red beans and rice mix. And with this, if you got a crock pot, put 6 cups of water in your crock pot. Adjust the heat the way you want it. You can go 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, whatever. But my suggestion, no less than 6 hours, because you want your beans tender. When your beans get tender, you should still have enough water in there where you got a little rice pack in there with it. Right here, baby. See that little rice pack right there? Got a little rice pack. Got a seasoning pack, little green pack right there. Look at that. Rice pack, green seasoning pack. Hey, put in some good smoked sausage. As soon as your beans hit the water, your sausage and your seasoning pack should hit it also. Put it all in there, let it go. Once the rice is cooked, after about 30 minutes, shut it down, let it set about 10 minutes. Get you a bowl, call your friends, call your family. Come on over, let's eat some of Chef Bourque's red beans and rice mix. You won't regret it. Here's how you order this stuff. And it's awesome. Go to chefbourque@gmail.com. chefbourque@gmail.com, Shay. You got that? chefbourque@gmail.com. All right. Once you do that, just send me a message. Hey, Chef, good afternoon. I see you enjoying your little self. I hope so. I need 4 or 5 bags of gumbo mix or whatever. Just let me know how many you need. What I do is invoice you through PayPal. Hey, PayPal will send you the invoice and you can pay with your credit card, Shy. And hey, that's as simple as can be. They'll let me know, hey, look, it's ready to go. I ship it. The next day, it's in the mail. It's all yours. Anyway, this Chef Bourque, I gotta go, Shy. You take it easy, okay? Dang. Boy, I love my little dry gin. Lord have mercy. Bombay, you did it again. Ah. It was fun. It was fun.